Today I'm going to explain properties of floor plan. So under floor plan properties, we have so many groups are available. First, graphics. Under graphics, we have so many parameters. So we'll check one by one. First one, the view scale. The view scale defines how the view is displayed on the drawing sheet. Select a scale from the predefined list or create a custom scale as required. Once the view scale is set, it should not be modified. If a different scale is needed for a specific purpose, create a separate view and assign the appropriate scale to it. Next one is scale. The scale value defines the ratio between the actual size of an element and its representation on the drawing sheet. This property becomes editable only when the view scale is set to custom. When a standard view scale is selected, the scale value automatically reflects the corresponding ratio and remains the read only. Display model. Display model settings controls how model elements are shown in detailed view. This settings affects only model elements and does not apply to annotation elements. Next on detail level. The detail level settings controls the amount of detail displayed for elements in a view. The available options are coarse, medium, and fine. As the view scale increases, a higher detail level should be so to display more detailed information accurately. Next one, part visibility. Part visibility settings controls whether parts and their original elements are displayed in a specific view. If part visibility is displayed in the visibility graphics override dialog, the part visibility property is automatically set to show original. Similarly, when the part visibility property is changed to show part visibility for part is automatically enabled to the visibility graphics override settings. Next one, visibility graphics overrides. Visibility graphic overrides settings control the visibility and graphical appearance of elements and categories within a view, including properties such as color, line weight, and line style. Click Edit to open the visibility graphic dialog box. If certain values appear grayed out, they cannot be modified because they may be controlled by an assigned view template. Next one is graphic display options. The graphic display option settings provides various controls to enhance the visual appearance of a model view. Click Edit to open the graphic display options, where settings such as shadows, silhouette edges can be adjusted. Orientation. The orientation settings control the view direction of switching between project north to true north. Wall joint display. Wall joint display settings control how wall joints are displayed in the model view. These display settings can be modified or overridden using the Edit Wall Joint tool. Discipline. Discipline settings controls how discipline specific elements are displayed within a view. This parameter can also be used to organize and categorize views in the project browser. So hidden lines. So hidden line settings controls the display of hidden lines in a view based on category settings. Color scheme. The color scheme location settings defines where a color scheme is applied within a view, either to the background of the view or all model elements. Color scheme settings applies color schemes to rooms, area, spaces, or zones within a view. You can select an existing color scheme or create a new one to visually represent the different elements. System colors. System color scheme setting applies color scheme to pipe and duct systems within a view. You can select an existing color scheme to or create a new to visually distinguish different systems such as piping and ductwork systems. Default analysis. Default analysis display style setting defines the default analysis display style used for the view. The available styles are based on the analysis display styles created in the analysis display style dialog box. Subdiscipline settings controls how subdiscipline specific elements are displayed within a view. These properties can also be used to organize the categorized views in the project browser. So remaining properties we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.